Use the slurry, okay?
Alright.
Take this wire, make sure the switch is on, okay?
On
There's
position.
a plug right here. A lot of things here. Can't even get to that. This one right here. Alright?
Yep.
I already had my switch on.
Oh, this. Whoa.
Are you getting it? Come over here. Get inside the truck for me. You see how nice and clean it is? Get inside the truck. You gotta stay focused, okay? You gotta keep grinding it until you're done, okay? Don't get distracted. Alright? So you're getting this. I'm showing you how to get the slurry. We got to make sure you got the picture, confirm you got the picture. You're getting everything. Okay, vice grip.
Vice grip.
You tie it up, okay? You put the cover back on properly, okay?
Put it on however you found it.
Yeah. Screw it back on. Real good. We put this back where we found it. Alright?
Yep.
Take this. Get out of here.
Yep.
Alright? Watch, you go push it from the front, okay? That's what I was trying to tell you. Alright? Just get out of here. You look, everything's good here, okay? One sec.
You pause.
Shit, okay?
Yeah.
Showing you how to finish. Because inside the store, you know what I mean? This is like, because you're not here, you're dealing with people, okay? So you want to be in and out of here and do it right, you know? So there's a lot of implementation here, okay? I'm looking for the manager. Everything's all set. When you're ready, you want me to over there. Alright, you see how I talk to her?
Yep.
I want to show you this. Come.
Oh, you gonna do it right now?
No, watch. Some managers need the door closed. So that's how we empty this from inside the store. This is 150 feet, okay? 100 feet, okay?
100?
50. Okay? So we close this.
Wait, hold on.
Alright. You turn that valve on slowly. You see that? It's moving. You see that? Touch it. You feel it moving out. Because you know the loading dock is closed.